Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Ali Grace. You guys know they're not new to this channel, and I always like their wigs, you know. So today we got a new wig from them. So let's see. So apart from from the wig coming in the package, I got a wig cap and a booklet, with well, it's a pamphlet rather, and it just shows hair care and all that good stuff. There's social media and all that stuff. So yeah. So for today's wig, I got a 24-inch deep wave wig. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft and nice, and I do love a good deep wave. See, if it's not a curly deep wave is just fine. Sometimes you want that looser curl vibe, or wave vibe rather, and you can definitely get that with deep wave. It's a nice 24-inch. It's a natural color. The waves are nice and tight. The hair is soft and it's full. Okay, that's very important. It's not stringy. It's full right to the tip at the end, and it is pre-plucked. Okay, I'm excited to install this. This is what I'm gonna be wearing for the next couple of days, so I'm really excited. You guys know how much I love these textures. So this is a 13x4 lace front. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. It's a medium brown lace, so you could feel it doesn't seem like it's bleached or tinted, pre-bleached or tinted. So you can go in and do that yourself. What I'll use is like this little stick here, which is it's a medium brown, and you don't need to bleach with this. It's just a quick hack to it's like a concealer stick, but it's specifically I got it in a hair package, and I use it on the wig and kind of just camouflage it to look more like scalp and make it have that bleach look. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use there, but I don't use a lot though, I don't use a lot. So yeah, oh, this is also 180% in density, and be sure to check my description box because I'll list all of these necessary information in there, as well as the direct link to the wig. So please go ahead and check that out. I apply the wig as usual, and right off the bat I can tell you, I really like the hairline. It's not like overly pre-plucked or anything. The only thing I wish it did come pre-bleached and tinted, but as I said in the previous clip, you could go ahead and use a foundation or concealer, or like one of the sticks that I showed you to help camouflage it. I didn't put much on it, and I didn't put any at the front. There's, I don't know, since recent times I don't like to put too much product on my lace, if any at all anymore, because I just love when the lace can shine through on its own. I feel like if you want, you could definitely go in with some hair though, but I wasn't feeling like doing that today. Or if you don't want to do that, you take the longer route of just tinting and bleaching it yourself. Okay, so for today's install though, I really wanted to do a glue install, and that's what I did, because I decided that I wanted to wear this wig for a couple of days. I really like the waves. It's really pretty. It feels really good. It's soft, it's full. It's my vibe. So I do the usual. I cleanse the area with my alcohol wipes, and I start using my lace glue there I did 2 layers. I didn't do a lot. I did 2 layers, took my time to spread it out on the area. And you guys know I don't know if you noticed, I always apply the glue in front of my natural hairline. To each his own, but I don't mess with my natural hairline. I have to preserve it. Putting glue on your hairline is just a no-no, because yeah, I don't want to end up without any edges. So I always do that. It's the safe thing to do. I proceed to drying that down with my blow dryer on cool air, and it doesn't take long to dry down at all. Dry it down to a tacky state, ensure that it's clear before you apply your lace. And yeah, so once that layer is dried, then I move on to applying the next layer, and I repeat the same steps. once I'm done with that, I pretty much just press the lace into the area so that it can stick. And you know, it takes a little time. You know, I use my blow dryer to help to speed up this process. You can even use your elastic band to further melt it in, which I did do further down. You know, so because you want the wig to be as secure as possible, you don't want any lifting, all of that. So yeah, this is where I applied my elastic to help melt it down further, and then I proceeded to do my little swoops. I didn't do a lot where that is concerned. I didn't want it to be, you know, too much, so I didn't do a lot. So today I opted for a center part. You could feel free to go ahead and part it anywhere you want, on the side, in the center. If you don't want any part, you don't have to. If you want to do a half up, half down, then go for it. It's all up to you and how you're feeling, what style you want to do. This is what I did today. As you know, I'm just using my hot comb to flatten down the area. And you know, you have like, okay, so I was so tempted to not wet it up today, but you guys know there's just something about wetting up these textures, and I actually like showing you guys how it looks in both states. But oh, it was so gorgeous without putting any product in there at all. It's really, really nice. So I have to give them a 10. Alright guys, so I'm done with installing this wig. I love the way it looks when it's wet, but I know for some people they love when it has that big poofy voluminous look. And I was going to leave it with it, but yes, so you know what, when I do a curly or a wavy texture, I feel like I like to show you guys in both states. So that's the reason why I still went ahead and wet it up, and I was going to wet it up anyways, because I love when my curls look very juicy and moisturized. I don't like when it look dry, or even though it never looked dry in its initial state, it's just that I like when it's just, it has this look, if you understand what I mean. So this is how it turned out. The waves have this, they have this coily look to them, but as it dry, it will definitely lift and get some more volume, which I don't mind. I actually prefer it in that state, because right now I don't really want it to be like super, like how it is, like it's super wet right now. Yes, that's it. That is it. Shout out to Ali Grace once more for another beautiful wig. As usual, you know, the specs are in my description box, as well as the direct link, so go ahead and check out down below for all the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.